Hi, it's Sam. Long time no see. You're probably wondering why I'm not crying. I'm actually laughing at myself. It's been about 3 years since I've made a video, and I've just totally forgot how to talk to a camera. So you'll have to bear with us. So the YouTube layout hop. We used to do one every month. We started to lose a bit of interest. People were dropping out. People weren't really, I wouldn't say not bothered, but obviously life's hectic. It just gets in the way, so we haven't got time to make layouts and stuff, or obviously editing videos and stuff takes a while as well. But I don't know about the other girls in the group, but since I stopped making the videos, I've hardly scrapbooked as much as I used to. So I wanted to get back into it. I know a lot of the girls, Christine, she wanted to get back into it as well. And obviously we've made a lot of friends through doing these videos. So we're going to give it another go. Like I said, it's been 3 years, so bear with me, bear with the girls. So it's the same process. Obviously, if you've followed along before, you know the drill. Literally, there'll be a lineup in the description with all the girls' channels. You just go to their channel, obviously like, subscribe, show them love. I don't know whether we're going to start off just sharing our layouts in the hop. Because I know in the past we used to have subscribers, but it's getting a lot, not subscribers, sorry, sponsors. But obviously a lot of companies nowadays have got their own creative team or design team, so it's a lot harder to get sponsorship to do this sort of thing. So we're just going to start off sharing our work, getting back into the swing of things, and then we'll go from there. And later on down the line we may have giveaways and stuff like that. But initially it's just for us to get back into the swing of things and get back into scrapbooking. Like I said, bear with us, especially with me, because I haven't made a video, like I said, in 3 years. So I don't even know if I remember how to use the editing software. I'm forgetting how to scrapbook, thankfully. So after this will be the process video to show you how I put this page together if you want to watch it. If not, you don't have to. It's up to you. I'll put it on fast forward because I'm a really slow scrapbook for some reason, so I'll put it on fast forward with a little bit of music over the top. So the theme for, what month are we in? July. The theme for July was summer themed. I don't think we've ever done a summer theme. How many years was the YouTube layout going for? A good three, yeah, maybe. I was doing it. I don't think we ever did a summer theme. I don't know why, but we just didn't. So we're having a summer. Like I said, bear with us. I've been to work. I'm not with it. Summer theme. So here's my page that I've done. It is my new boyfriend Ben and my little sister Hannah. I just love the photographs. Obviously we went on holiday last month. The colours of the water is just always lovely and blue. So going with the summer theme. So papers I used in this. I do give you a quick overview in the video of what I've used beforehand, but if I speed it up you might not be able to see. So the paper collections I used was Basic Grey Hey Boy, which I think's discontinued now. I've got old papers I wanted to get rid of. And this one is Colour Book, and it's Wild and Free. There's some stickers on here from Create Paper Poolside. Some stickers from me and, what's it called? Me and My Big Ideas, and this one was called Florida, which again it just had Florida related stickers in, which again a lot of my craft stuff is old. I I don't know, I just bought loads of stuff, stopped using it, or I hoarded it because I loved it. But I'm not buying new stuff. I want to get rid of my old stuff before I start buying new stuff. I'm also doing Project Life as well, which I've been doing for the past 3 years. I've never really videoed doing them. I don't know whether it's just because like I said, I'm a very slow scrapbooker, so I'm even slower doing Project Life. And like I spread it out over a day or two, maybe, just faffing around, tweaking at things and stuff like that. So so this is my page. I may start and do Project Life videos. I do want to get back into making videos and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm waffling. Penny's asleep. Lineup will be in the description below. Process videos afterwards. Go and show the other girls love. If we get a lot of interaction, comments and whatnot, we'll do it again next month. So thank you for listening to me waffle on, and thank you to me continued subscribers who've stuck with us even though I haven't made a video in 3 years. Hopefully I can start making more videos for you. Alright, thanks guys, bye. It's me again, different day. I just want to add a little snippet in. Obviously I said previously that there's going to be no sponsor. There is going to be a sponsor now. So Christine, one of the girls in the lineup, she's going to be sponsoring, and it's going to be an e-gift card, so it's open to anyone who wants to join in. What you need to do is go to each channel in the lineup in the description, subscribe to that channel and leave a comment, and then you'll be in a chance to win that. But Christine will probably give you more information on her videos. So like I said, go to each channel, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks guys.